Introducing Beyond the Valance, a whole new way to finish your windows. Small fabric accents with a really big design payoff. Designed for direct-to-surface installation, your fabric accents are easy to attach right where you need them. Secure them directly to the outer window frame or inner window frame. These small window accents are easy to attach directly to a stable headrail or even right to the wall. No drilling or hardware, just simple hook and loop tape hanging. Reusable TraceShaper forms make custom decorating easy. Simply prepare your fabric, then trace the TraceShaper edges for perfectly shaped window accents. Follow the trace line to cut out your valance, then add the included hook and loop tape and hang. These simple, beautiful fabric accents are perfect for anywhere you call home, from your favorite room to your RV, camper, or even your boat. And when you're ready to create, the Traceable Designer YouTube channel is there with step-by-step video guidance from start to finish. Beyond the Valance, custom window design made beautifully simple.